give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is going to be a Nike Dunk Low Disrupt unboxing, and I got mine in the color coconut milk. So let's get into it. This is my first pair of Dunks. I have like Nikes. I've bought Nikes over the first of my life and I've worn them, but I've never bought any Nike Dunks before. So I'm really trying to get into like my shoe game. So y'all are gonna see a lot more unboxings and like styling videos with new shoes and like heels and different stuff. I'm just trying to really like get my game up, get my styling game up specifically, because your girl got a lot of assets. But I just want to like be more confident in myself and like in fashion. I think it's interesting. So yeah. Okay, so I got my shoes from GOAT. I don't know, like I put a poll on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so y'all can give me advice or like be tuned into what's going on. But I put a poll up asking people if they preferred StockX or if they preferred GOAT. I don't know, like the jury is out. I personally don't have a preference. Like I haven't bought shoes off of like a website like this before, so I don't personally have a preference. But my mom preferred using this place called Stadium Goods. But anyway, GOAT won, so I ended up purchasing off of GOAT. And I'm gonna tell you guys about that process and about the shipping time. Okay, so I ordered these on February 3rd and they got to me on February 10th. So I chose the option where it ships from wherever it was to GOAT so that I can verify it and then back to me, or not back to me, but then to me. So it's from the person, whoever I got it from, then it gets verified at GOAT, and then it goes to me. So that's the process, and I got it within 10 days. So I'm not mad at that at all. So I got it within, a week. So I'm really not mad at that. Like, that's not too bad to me. So yeah, I purchased it for $145. Shipping was $13.50, which is kind of a lot, especially for shoes. But I think it's because the buyer, like me, I'm paying for the shipping from whoever's house it is, from wherever it is, to GOAT and then to me. So I'm paying two shipping prices, which I kind of think like one of those hens needs to eat that shipping price so that it's not so high, but whatever. And then tax was $9.90. So I paid like $23 or some shit like that just for shipping and taxes. So that's kind of annoying. But my total was $168.40. The official name of what I got is the Women's Dunk Low Disrupt in Coconut Milk. And I got it new. My box is in good condition apparently. We're gonna check it out and see. And I got it in a size woman's 6. So that's usually what I wear. Obviously, like it varies depending on where I get it from, but a 6 is what I typically wear in Nike. Okay, so I think now it's time to just get straight into the unboxing. I don't know what to expect. I hope everything looks good, but we're gonna find out together. Okay, so the box is here. I like slightly opened it just so that like my address isn't showing and all that, all that good stuff. So let's open it up and see. I'm gonna try to back it up a little bit. Okay, wait, yeah, there we go. Okay, so it comes like with this little wrapping, and then we have the box. The box is in okay condition. Maybe with the shipping it got messed up a bit. But look, it's like a little wrinkly on this side. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just like a little wrinkly. I don't know. It's not horrible or anything like that, but it's not like, I don't know if I would say that it's like good condition, but this is what it looks like. Okay, Nike. I always have loved these boxes, but I'm not like, I'm not a big sneakerhead or anything, so I'm not really tripping that bad about the box, but I'm just saying, it's okay condition. Okay, let's open it up together. Okay, so we've got the GOAT label on here. Okay, GOAT. And then we have, it said GOAT verified. So I guess it was all authenticated. That it was verified. I'm not gonna lie, that's the problem with me. I feel like I could easily get caught with shoes because I don't know no better. Like, I really don't know. I could not tell you the difference between a fake Nike sneaker and a real Nike sneaker. So Hopefully it's real, y'all. I got it off of Go. It says it's verified. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. It says verified on here. Go. Then it says verified at the top. But I don't know, y'all. Okay, let's just open it up. Let's just open it up and see. Okay. Okay, coconut milk. Okay, first impression. It's yellower than I expected. I thought these were gonna be like more of a nude. I mean, they are nude, but they're much more, I don't know, they're much more like of a pale yellow. I don't know how else to describe it. In my opinion. Okay, but this is what they look like. We'll leave it right here on my bed so y'all can see. It's on the top cover, so don't be judging me, but I just want y'all to be able to see everything. Ooh, okay, hold on. Okay, all right, so this is what it looks like. It looks like it's new. It looks like it's in perfect condition. Yeah, there's no wears or anything. You know, I watched the little videos to see. There's no wears or anything on it. It looks really good to me. I do think that this little like foam on the inside part is a little weird. I remember watching a video and some girl mentioned that. So on the tongue there's like foam instead of like a normal tongue. But I do think these are really, really pretty. I like this like chunkier look. I think it's cute. I love this little like Nike right there. Now, okay, I'm gonna use this to put this to put the shoe on. This is what this is for me. So that's why I like this little part, because sometimes I feel like it gets hard to put your shoes on and then especially not to crease them. But yeah, these are cute. Okay, these are definitely cute. I'm feeling them. I feel like they're really cute. Okay, yeah, I feel like these are really cute. I feel like they're, for the most part, what I expected. They're definitely more yellow, but I definitely think I can still do the outfits that I wanted to do with them. Like, it's not that big of a deal. I think I would have preferred them being more of like a brown instead of a yellow. But, I mean, it is what it is. It's not bad. What I will do is we'll do like a quick little try on. And y'all tell me like we'll see how we like it on my feet.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, so I have unboxed them, I put them on. They're a little tighter than I expected them to. I think that the more that I like walk around and wear them, the more loose they'll be. But if I had to buy them again, I'd buy them in a 6.5 women instead of a 6. But they are cute. I like them on my feet. I think they're gonna be cute for me to wear. I think it's gonna be easy for me to like to pair it with different things and like make a lot of outfits out of it, which was a big thing for me. I was like, okay, let me start off with like more basic like nude colors so that I can pair it with different things, and then I can get into more colorful stuff and build that like around my wardrobe. So yeah, I like them. I'd recommend them. I don't know like about, I feel like I didn't have any personal issues with Go, but I would want to like purchase from them a couple more times before I like completely endorse them and I recommend them to y'all. But I just let y'all know a couple of sites, so y'all do what y'all do. Y'all research and figure out which company y'all want to go with. I've just now personally used Go. I didn't have a bad experience. Yeah, but that's it for the rest of this video. I hope y'all liked this video. If y'all did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how y'all feel about these shoes and how y'all like them on me, and let me know if y'all have any dunk disrupts in the comments below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, babes.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one